कोई बोले राम राम, कोई खुदाए, कोई सेवै गुसैया, कोई अल्लाह है।
What are the key principles of Sikhism? The core beliefs of Sikh religion can be summarized by 3 principles. Kirt karo, earn an honest living. Naam japo, meditate in God's name. Vand ke chakho, share your earnings with others.
These were taught and exemplified by all 10 gurus and are enshrined in the Sikh scripture. Let us try to understand what these 3 principles are according to the teachings of the gurus.
First principle, Kirt karo. What does it mean to earn an honest living? Earning an honest living means to work for what we eat and not beg from others, or use unfair or deceitful means to obtain one's livelihood. The Gurus believed that only one who earns an honest living is able to walk the spiritual path. This is the foundation.
काल खाए किछ हथों दे, नानक राह पछाड़ै से.
One who works for what he eats and gives some of what he has, O Nanak, he recognizes the true path.
The gurus believed that the spiritual teachers of mankind should themselves earn an honest living with their own hands and not beg from others.
गुर पीर सदाए मंगण जाए, ताकै मूल न लगिए पाए.
One who calls himself a spiritual teacher while begging from others is not worthy of instructing mankind. Guru Nanak worked various jobs to earn an honest living, including as an accountant, trader, and farmer. He was known for his honesty and generous spirit. Earning an honest living makes us fit for the second principle.
Second principle, Naam Japo. What does it mean to recite God's name? Naam Japo means remember God through reciting His name. God's name signifies God's infinite virtues, and by reflecting and meditating on God's virtues, the mind is purified. This is done through sacred repetition of the holy word Vaheguru, as well as through part, recitation of scriptures, and kirtan, singing of holy hymns. Meditation on God's name is the essence of a Sikh spirituality and is considered the highest spiritual practice.
जपहो ता एको नामा, अवर निराफल कामा.
Recite the one name of God, all rituals are fruitless. Regular meditation is part of a Sikh's daily routine, and Sikhs strive to meditate on God's name in the early morning.
गुर सतगुर का जो सिख अखाए, सो पल के उठ हर नाम त्यावे.
One who calls himself a Sikh of the true Guru shall arise in the morning hours and meditate on God's name. When we meditate on God's name, virtues such as contentment and compassion arise within, which leads to the third principle.
Vand ke chakho. What does it mean to share with others? The third principle is Vand ke chakho, sharing one's time and earnings. Sikhs are recommended to donate 10% of their earnings to charity. This can be for any charitable or noble cause, as well as 10% of their time for meditation. This is called Dasvand. One prominent way in which this is illustrated is through the institution of langar, community meals. In these community meals, all people are invited and welcome. It is served by volunteers and all sit on the floor. It is free of cost and is often a lifeline for those who are the most disadvantaged members of society. The Golden Temple in India alone serves 50,000 people daily, and during festivals such as Vaishakhi, even 100,000 people. Every Gurdwara in the world serves langar at least once a week. The principle also highlights the importance of service within the Sikh religion.
विच दुनिया सेव कमाइए, तां दरगह बैसन पाइए.
Do selfless service in the world and you will have a place within the court of God. For a Sikh, Selfless service is a spiritual practice which brings him/her closer to God. It should be done without any thought of reward and as an offering to God.
सेवा करत होए नहकामी, तिसको होत परापत स्वामी।
One who performs selfless service without thought of reward shall attain the Lord. These three principles are the foundation of the Sikh religious practice.
What is the purpose of human life according to Sikhism? According to Sikh scriptures, the purpose of life is not only to do good deeds and become a good human being, but to attain union with God.
पई परापत मानुख देहुरिया, गोबिंद मिलन की एह तेरी परिया।
We have attained the human life, and this is our chance to achieve union with God. In the Sikh scripture, the human birth is considered a sacred opportunity to achieve this life purpose.
इस देही को सिमरह देव, सो देही पज हर की सेव।
Even the gods long for the human body, so dedicate it to the worship of the Lord and service of the Lord. Within Sikhism, the light of God is seen to be the source of all creation, to which we must return.
मन तू जोत स्वरूप है, अपना मूल पहचान।
O mind, you have arisen from the light of God. Recognize your own source.
Thus, the goal of all spiritual practice within Sikhism, including the three principles, is to merge with the divine light of God within.